So, imagine that! Diba? For 6,990 pesos mo, very budget-friendly smartphone at magkakaroon ka na ng almost everything here.
I love it. I love it. I love
Hello techies! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Lee's Tech. Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna share to you 5 things that I like about Realme 3. Okay? So, ayun, mag-start na tayo guys. So, eto nga pala si Realme. Again, ayan, hindi pa ako nakapag-get over talaga sa kanya kasi nga, sobrang sulit at sobrang ganda niya. Yes, and then after a couple of days na na-explore ko siya, mas nakita kong mas madami talaga siyang good thing about kay Realme 3. Let's have some recap. Okay, so actually nakapagbigay na ako ng review nito. Sa mga hindi pa nakakita, explore mo lang yung vids ko doon. Makikita mo yung review ko ng Realme 3. Okay, so ayun, si Realme 3, meron siyang 32GB and 3GB RAM. Meron din siyang other variants, 4GB and 64GB internal storage. And meron siyang 13 rear camera and 2 megapixel secondary supporting camera. Then sa front, meron siyang 13 megapixel as well. Sa chipset naman niya, it is Pan MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, and this is actually a global edition. So pag sinabi ito yung global edition, mas iba siya talaga, mas kumbaga mas high-end siya kung i-compare mo dun sa mga local brands. Ayun. So, ayun na guys. Ito na si Realme 3. Pag-uusapan natin yung 5 things that I like about Realme 3. So, unang-una is yung, of course, yung design niya. Okay? So, nakikita niyo naman, sobrang premium ng design ni Realme 3. And imagine that you can have this for 6,990 pesos. 3GB variant RAM na yon. So, ayun. Yun yung gusto ko. First, yung design niya. Ayan, yung build niya. Okay. Makikita niyo naman na sobrang competitive niya. 'Di ba? Sa design pa lang niya. Mayroon siyang mirror reflection. And then, second, sa 6,990 mo, 90 pesos mo, meron ka ng fingerprint scanner. Okay, so 'di ba usually sa mga 6,990 smartphones na meron tayo nowadays, or mga na-release ng ibang companies last year and even this year, is walang fingerprint scanner yung entry level na pinakamura, yung 6,990. Ito meron na siya. So, ayan, 6,990 mo, meron ka ng smartphone with premium design and fingerprint scanner. Okay, yung pangatlong bagay na naman na gustuhan ko sa kanya is malaki ang battery niya. Yes, it has 4,230 mAh battery capacity, which is very sulit na, lalo na kung ikaw ay hard gamer. Syempre kapag mahilig kang maglaro like whole day, you need to have a bigger battery para mas ma-enjoy mo yung paglalaro mo. And nandito yan kay Realme 3. Meron siyang malaking battery. And then sa ika-apat na nagustuhan ko sa kanya guys is yung features niya, lalong-lalo na yung camera niya. Ayun, maganda yung camera performance niya. As in, meron siyang front blur effect. Meron din siyang rear blur effect. Yun. Isa yun sa bet ko sa smartphone na to. May enjoy mo kasi meron siyang beautification, slow-mo, meron siyang nightscape, meron siyang panorama, meron siyang expert, meron siyang time-lapse, diba? So, madami ng features niya na ma-enjoy mo when it comes to its camera. Now, and the last thing na nagustuhan ko kay Realme 3 is yung gaming performance niya. Like, kung mahilig ka sa Mobile Legend, well, swear, sa Mobile Legend niya guys, kaya nito maglaro ng high graphic quality, and sobrang nice yung graphic quality guys, and sobrang smooth yung gaming performance mo. Wala kang frame drops, wala kang lags na ma-experience mo dito sa smartphone na to na nakaset na into high graphic quality. So imagine that, diba? For 6,990 pesos mo. Very budget-friendly smartphone at magkakaroon ka na ng almost everything here. So, yun yung 5 bagay na sobrang gusto ko sa kanya, guys. Again, yung design niya, yung build niya, sobrang premium, sobrang ganda. Yung meron na siyang fingerprint. Then, third is yung battery capacity niya. Of course, mas malaki, mas maganda, mas ma-enjoy mo. Pang-apat is yung camera performance niya. Maganda kasi marami kang features na pwede mong ma-enjoy dito sa camera niya. And then, sa fifth is yung gaming performance. So, yun na guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa 5 things na nagustuhan ko sa Realme 3. So, if you have further questions, please feel free to comment below and I will try to answer all of your questions, by the way. And, of course, I would like to say thank you so much guys for watching this video, lalo na dun sa mga taong kahit busy ay nanonood pa rin ng videos ko. Thank you so much sa'yo. And sa mga bago sa channel ko, hello! Welcome na welcome kayo sa Lee's Tech channel ko. Please do subscribe and hit the bell button para mas ma-update ka pa at hindi ka mapag-iwanan sa mga uploads ko dito. Okay? So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. By the way, before we end this video, gusto kong i-shoutout yung mga taong to. Kaya hi sa'yo, Jedson Sassy, Park Jimin, hi. Jomai Marzan, hello. And The Beast, hello The Beast. And Ayan, okay, Logensa, hi Ayan Logensa, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope that you guys will still keep on watching all of my videos. Marami pa akong upcoming uploads like 1 week of using Realme 3, meron pa akong i-upload gaming test about Realme 3 and comparison ito sa other smartphones. Ayun. So, I hope you guys will stay tuned to my channel and keep on watching. Thank you so much and see you till my next reviews. Bye!